Welcome back to my video on English grammar and spoken English. In this video, today we will be learning about one of the important portions or chapter in English grammar, that is present continuous tense. Present continuous tense is very important while we talk in English. Therefore, we will be learning today what is present continuous tense, how to use present continuous tense in affirmative, in negative, and in interrogative sentences. Okay, so before we move forward with our video, I really ask you to subscribe to my channel, those who have not yet subscribed, and please also share it and like my channel. Okay, so from here let's move to the present continuous tense. So I will give you a very short definition of what is present continuous tense. Present continuous tense is an action that is happening right now. In other words, we can say present continuous tense describes an action or an event that is happening right now or which is in progress. So how to understand or how to make correct sentences in present continuous tense? We will have a basic structure. So if you learn the basic structure, you will be able to speak in present continuous tense without mistakes. So we will be taking basic structure for affirmative sentence, basic structure for negative, and basic structure for interrogative sentence, which will be very useful for you. Okay, first let's come to the basic structure for affirmative sentence. So what is the basic structure? Subject plus is or am or are plus V1 plus ing plus object. Okay, so learn this basic structure. I'll give you some examples by which I will make you understand how to speak in present continuous tense without mistake. The first example is he is studying for his exams. So in this sentence, he is the subject. Is, of course, as all of you know, is auxiliary verb which is very much part and parcel of the present continuous tense or present progressive tense. And then studying, so study is the V1 form of the verb and ing is added, so it becomes studying. For her exams becomes the object. So he is studying for his exams. So that is the first sentence. One more sentence I will say. They are watching a movie. They are watching a movie. So here they, subject, are of course auxiliary verb, watch plus ing, watching. A movie becomes the object there. One more example for affirmative sentence. I am going to the market. So here I becomes the subject. Am, of course, auxiliary verb. Go plus ing, going. To the market becomes the objects. I hope you understood how to use present continuous tense in affirmation. Okay, if you learn this basic structure, you can never make a mistake. Okay, from there we will move to the negative sentence, how to use negative sentence in present continuous tense. There is also a basic structure, and the basic structure is this: subject plus am not or is not or are not plus V1 plus ing plus object. Okay, this is the basic structure. So learn this structure. And then I will give you one example. He is not playing football. So that is a negative sentence. He is not playing football. So see, he becomes the subject. Is, of course, is the auxiliary verb. Not playing. So that not becomes the negative part of the sentence. Play plus ing plus football becomes the object. Okay, one more sentence. We are not going to the party. We are not going to the party. So here that also becomes a negative sentence. Okay, and the third part of it, present continuous tense, is the interrogative sentence. How to make questions in present continuous tense. So there is also a basic structure for that. So what is the basic structure? Am, is or are plus subject plus V1 plus ing plus object. So please do learn this basic structure to use the interrogative sentence in present continuous tense without mistake. I will give you a few examples. Are you watching TV? Are you watching TV? That becomes an interrogative sentence in present continuous tense. Are they coming to the party? Another sentence. Are they coming to the party? Another interrogative sentence. So please observe carefully how we make these sentences in interrogation. So there, if you learn the basic structure, you can never make a mistake. So I hope all of you understood What is present continuous tense? Of course, once again, let me say present continuous tense is describing an action which is happening right now, which is in progress. So such actions or events, we can use the present continuous tense. Okay, so I hope all of you have learned it perfectly well right now. Let me tell you once again, learn the basic structure of this tense, and then you can speak fluently without mistake this present continuous tense. Okay, now we will move from here to the tips that I am going to give you regarding spoken English. Have you ever been confused about when to use either or, neither nor in a sentence? Well, don't worry. Let's start with either or. This term is used to present two options. Example, we can say, you can either come to the party or stay home. In this sentence, either shows that there are only two options available, either to come to the party or to stay at home. Now let's move to neither nor. This term is used to express the negative of the options presented. For example, neither John nor Mary came to the party. In this sentence, neither shows that both options, John and Mary, did not come to the party. So remember, either or is used to express two options. If you want to express the negative of the options, use neither nor.